I am Pascal from Boatshed, Paris. My pleasure to introduce you this Smelne Vlet with a length of 12.80 meters and a beam of 4.15 meters with a very nice saloon. The aft cabin is the owner cabin with independent heads, electric head, double berth, lot of storage all around. Shower with basin, here we are in the galley with a dinette, possible to convert the dinette in a double berth. The kitchenette with a cooker, 4 burners, microwave, air extractor, fridge, working on 12 volts and 220 volts. The forward cabin using a storage with a freeze unit, lot of storage, a double berth, and electric toilets with basin. If this boat interests you, do not hesitate to contact Pascal from Boatshed, Paris.